My genius copywriter friend David Garfinkel gave me a book. He said, Fripp, this is my favorite book, The Brilliance Breakthrough. Now, last time I saw this is out of print. It was $936 used on Amazon. However, you don't have to buy the book. You certainly can spend $938. All you have to do is understand his premise of his book, his dominant theme. He said, forget nouns, adjectives, and pronouns. There are only two types of words, picture words and connecting words. So if you just take one simple phrase, I walked into the boss's office. The picture would change if you said, I sauntered into the boss's office. I staggered into the boss's office. I raced into the boss's office. Not only does it change the picture, it changes how you're going to say it. Now let's look at, if you want to move, and be aware that some movement distracts from your message. So let's just say, if this was the opening of your story. So I walked into the boss's office and said, boss, I deserve a raise. Now what would happen? See, if you keep walking, the audience sees. See, I think you would walk up, you stand in front of his or her desk. If you keep walking, they see you've walked over the desk, you flatten the boss and down, you're walked out the window. So you see, if you have a movement-specific phrase, not only pick the right movement, the right way you say it, it's the picture of thinking, where do you move, where do you stand still? What would it mean to you, your career, your company, if every time you stood up in front of 5, 50, or 500, in a boardroom, training center, or convention hall, if you were confident, you were powerful, persuasive, professional, compelling on message, and a resounding success? If you want to accelerate your career, transform sales results, develop leadership skills, or even become an in-demand, highly paid professional speaker, then Fripp Virtual Training is designed for you. FrippVT Powerful Persuasive Presentations is my highly interactive, learn-at-your-own-pace virtual training around all area of presentations. It is almost as if I am there, sitting next to you, helping. Fripp Virtual Training is a multi-million-dollar, state-of-the-art, web-based training platform. It is designed to closely emulate personal training and coaching. It's almost as if I am sitting with you 24/7 as your own personal speech coach and sales trainer. Sign up now, take a free trial, and experience 3 of our content-rich chapters. Then join and take advantage of my 30-plus years experience and in-depth study. Make the commitment to your career. Reap the benefits of FrippVT by making it a consistent part of your personal development. You'll be glad you did.